Ola Electric has dropped the first images of its upcoming electric scooter. The company released images of the electric offering that is based on the Etergo app scooter. It needs to be noted that Ola acquired Amsterdam-based Etergo in 2020. The design remains identical to the app scooter with the quirky neo-retro styling. The prominent LED headlamp with the DRL has been carried over along with the rounded profile. The scooter rides on alloy wheels and will also get a wraparound taillight cluster. The model is likely to get all LED lighting along with features like telescopic forks, dual disc brakes, a digital instrument console and more. The powertrain and range are yet to be revealed. The e-scooter will be made at the brand's upcoming facility in Tamil Nadu. The new plant will be the world's largest two-wheeler manufacturing facility with a production capacity of 10 million units per annum and will roll out the electric scooter in the second half of the year in India. It will also be exported to several markets globally. Jaguar Land Rover India has commenced reducing its workforce as part of a global restructuring exercise. The Tata Motors owned company had announced in February this year that it would cut 2,000 jobs from its global salaried workforce by the next financial year. The company had said that the layoffs will include only white-collar jobs and does not impact hourly paid and manufacturing employees. The announcement was made right after the company's plans to go all-electric by 2025. Replying to a query by Car and Bike, a Jaguar Land Rover India spokesperson said, and we quote, "We need to reduce the cost base to achieve a lean foundation, which will allow us to transform most effectively into a more agile organization. The organizational design activity that has already begun means that some functions within the business may increase in size and others may reduce to reflect the future vision." Jaguar Land Rover India has not specified the number of people it will let go under the layoff exercise or the kind of severance package that has been offered to them. Volkswagen has silently increased the price of the 2021 T-Roc SUV by 1,36,000 rupees. The 2021 Volkswagen T-Roc now retails at 21,35,000 rupees according to the company's website. The SUV was launched last year in March at an asking price of 19,99,000 rupees ex-showroom. The new price has been revealed ahead of the second batch's arrival, with deliveries set to begin from April onwards. It's not clear at the moment if the customers who have already booked the T-Roc will have to shell out the extra sum. The 2021 T-Roc will continue to be sold in a single fully loaded variant with the 1.5-litre turbocharged petrol engine. Volkswagen India had previously said that it will honour the existing bookings for the T-Roc with the second batch. And on that note, here's wishing the Car and Bike family a happy International Women's Day.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.